familiar with Ames and the major streets in Ames, to introduce you to a variety of retailers and services available, and to answer any questions that you might have along the way about the community. As I said, I'm Jeannie Kitzman, and I work for American Federal Savings and Loan here in Ames. And I'd like to introduce the bus driver, Harlan Plagmann, and he's going to say a few words.
My name is Harlan Plagmann, and I'm an Iowa State student. I'm a senior next year, and I'm majoring in general business. And I've worked for CyRide for about 1 year now. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our service. Well, first of all, we're a tri-funded organization sponsored by the City of Ames, Iowa State University, and the government of the student body. Our services include, we run what's called the fixed routes, which are these large buses you see right now. During the school year, they run on about a 20-minute interval. They connect campus with the mall, East Ames, West Ames, and the Southdale area. And if you're within the city limits of Ames, you're within 5 blocks of the bus route, so it makes a really good way to get around town. The second service we offer is called CyRide. And what that is it's a door-to-door service for the elderly and the handicapped. We pick them up at their door, take them right to where they need to go, and take them home again. We give them some assistance with packages and things like that. If any of your students are ever injured, for instance, if they broke their leg or something, for just 25 cents, we pick them up right at their door and take them right to class. And for 25 cents more, take them home. So it's also a good service for the students when they're injured or need some extra assistance. The last service we offer is called CyRide. It operates on Friday and Saturday nights from 10:30 p.m. until 2 a.m. And it's a really good way to get a safe ride home late at night when you really need one. And it's a really popular service with us. Some of the things that might be a little different with CyRide from some of the other bus companies you might have seen, our buses are all very new. Most of our fleet's newer than 1982. We wash our buses every day. They're inspected every 2 weeks, and we run on time. We have an excellent efficiency record. We'll get your students to class on time, and we'll get them home quickly and efficiently. That's about all I have to say today, except for I want to remind you that in Ames it's really difficult to operate a car. Students can't operate cars during the school day at all, and traffic is really bad. And CyRide only costs 25 cents to ride to class, 25 cents home, or for just $40, you can get an unlimited ride pass. So it's a really good thing for students to use, and we really encourage. Do you have a question?
$40 for how long? Semester or year?
For 1 semester, so it'd be a total of $80 for the school year for one. And in the summer, they're $20. Yeah, parking is really terrible around ISU. Last year they issued 66,000 parking tickets, and I was lucky enough to get $50 of those. And it's just not a very good way to get around. The bus service is really good, and we really like to encourage people to get around. I have some fall schedules up here if you want to take a look at those on your way out. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me on your way out. Thanks a lot.
And that goes for any time along the tour. If you have any questions, please stop me and